Welcome. I am Beth Miller. I am a marriage coach and the founder of Soulify Wellness, the Marriage Saver program, and I am the creator of this group. And we have some amazing news to share with you today. I'm so excited. So what's going to happen is I'm looking at two screens because I have another live over here. We are launching this new and exciting group. There's some changes happening to this Facebook group. And when I announced it yesterday that some changes were coming, there was within hours, there was 55 of you that responded really quick saying, yes, I'm in. So up until now, this group has been called Infidelity and Affair Support for Women. And I found that you need more. You're not just wanting general support. What you want is a community where you can fix your marriage, save your marriage, and ultimately heal. And so that's what we're going to do. We are helping you get the clarity on exactly what you need to do on how to repair your marriage. So we found that you guys want more. And so we're going to start giving you more on how to, oh, hi everyone, how to really start saving your marriage, heal yourself. So if you want to save your marriage with your best friend, with your rock, keeping your family together, really opening up trust and improving communication, this is your spot. We want to help you heal, and we want to give you these tips and strategies. So this group, it's getting a new name. Are you ready for it? It is now called Save Your Marriage Support Group for Betrayed Wives who want to heal from infidelity. So we're here to teach you a lot of the things that I work with my clients one-on-one every single day. We're going to give you some of those strategies that my clients are using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days a week. We'll give you some little glimpses into some of those things. So we're going to teach you what they're doing in my day-to-day Marriage Saver program. And these strategies and tips that I want to share with you, there's a ton. A lot of you really want primarily to heal from the betrayal. We got to heal from the betrayal. We need to end those ruminating thoughts of why. Why did he do this? We want to stop replaying those images, the text messages over and over. So that's where we really have to do some of this healing of the betrayal. And from there, once you're feeling better, we want to start really working on how to create a marriage that has open communication, where you can rebuild the trust, where you can ultimately feel happier, more confident, and transform yourself and transform your marriage. So that's where this group is heading. We're giving it a new direction where we can truly give you the tips and support that you need to do that stuff. So comment with a thumbs up below, or if you're live, comment with a thumbs up. And if you're excited to get some more strategies and tips on how to heal yourself and heal your marriage. So, okay, what we have going on is super exciting. Monday, I want you to join Monday, and we're going to do a big training on the #1 learnings that my clients in 2023 learned. So I'm going to give you some insights into some of those learnings and those strategies that they learned. So this group, I want to give you a ton of support. I want to be in this group more than I've been in it ever. We have a team, and they've been in and out, and we're all going to be here giving you as much help as we can give you. And we have huge plans. But there's one thing we do recognize. The one thing we recognize is that there are women in this group who have already started the divorce process. You're already out, and you're just really working on that healing of yourself post-infidelity. So you may find this place isn't exactly what you need anymore. And with that said, I have a plan for you too. I have something I want to give you. So if that's you, what I want you to do is DM me the word happiness or happy. Send me a little DM, happiness or happy, and I will give you something. I have something for you to help you in this healing process. But this place really is now for those that are unsure if they want to save their marriage and they're just trying to get that clarity, or if you're really on board to give this marriage everything you got, giving it one more try, trying to get that clarity on what to do. So with that said, I can't wait to chat with you again. But the wonderful women that are wanting to heal and save your marriage, I'm excited for you. My team and I are here for you. And there's tons more stuff coming in the next little while. So stay tuned, and I will see you all later. Thanks, everyone.